Hey guys, this is part 2 of hide and seek. We just had to check something, and they're gonna count. They're gonna hide. They're gonna hide, and I am going to count to 30. Wait, weren't you gonna hold the camera? Oh gosh. Okay, here's Alex.
I'm gonna hold it so you're in my point of view. Count to 30.
This way.
You stand on that. Chickens. They're chickens.
I gotta pee.
Oh.
Why? Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, no,
really appreciate it.
And you guys watch the season? No. Do I want some? No.
You guys want to see them?
We're hiding.
We're trying to play hide and seek, and my brother's hiding.
They're so cute.
Oh, we
They're
didn't.
so cute. I want to put the brain on.
Yeah, no problem.
I'll try to get
guys,
one.
If you need anything else while you're gone that you thought of after you leave, just
They're so cute.
so
Cute.
I help you get one.
Yep, and
They're gonna pick up a chicken so we can pet them.
Oh yay!
Look at the white one. It's so cute.
All of them are so cute and fluffy, and they're friendly.
Yeah.
They're really friendly. And
This is Noah's point of view now.
Yep.
they're really friendly.
Oh,
And
they're all cute.
soft.
Also cute.
Look at the black one.
The black ones are the fluffiest.
He's like, oh no, please don't kill me. I'm not meat.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the camera back.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa.
Yeah,
so
she's
soft.
so soft.
Wow.
I don't know why she's
What
so
about those tiny ones?
The little ones are phantoms. Those,
they're very fast.
they're very fast. They're very hard to catch. But the white one, Dove, she doesn't like us to touch her. So she'll peck me. But Chocolate Chip, we might be able to.
Aww,
So cute.
sweet.
Yeah, they're cute.
I love the little white one. So
I like
cute.
the little
Look at
white
the
one.
feet on the
Look at
little
feet.
white one.
Yeah, watch her run.
Ah, there's one right there. One right there.
Oh, I saw it.
She's curious. I don't know
that
what.
one.
She's just so curious.
I want to pet that one. She's like, run away. This one's fluffier.
Oh.
I can't get it.
I found you guys.
Further.
I found you guys.
Yeah.
I found you guys.
So cute.
They're good. They're
Wow,
good
what's
little
right
babies.
here?
How old are they?
3 months.
Wow.
Yeah, they're very young.
Like this big.
They're
But
babies.
they're the best because they eat everything in the yard.
Ah,
They eat all the bugs.
Whoa.
Whoa.
ah, that one.
Wow.
That one fans me. That's good.
She's so mad I just picked her up. Ah.
That sounded like a speedboat.
This is a white one, but I
No,
don't
I
like
think
you.
she's just. We're not usually outside in the yard this long. She's probably. I mean, they're all getting older, so they're all getting more protective and defensive. Put your arm out, like, see if she'll jump on it.
Aww.
She's done. But she's always been. I feel like that some of the brown ones have always been brazen. Like, they don't care about us. They don't care if we touch them. We don't. But yeah, the two little ones are really cute.
Oh, so
I get some really
if
good
it
shots.
rains, they go in there.
If it rains, they hide under
That's
there,
where they sleep.
or they do go in there. But they do sleep in there. They have, see this, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a stick right there,
Yeah.
and they roost on it. So when we open it at night, they're all sitting on sticks like that in there.
And
Then they'll give us eggs eventually.
Aww.
And then they'll give us eggs, and we can eat eggs. But yeah, the little ones are really fast. It's very hard to catch them. But
What's that one way over there?
the brown one,
Yeah.
that's Chocolate Chip.
Chocolate chip.
She's the baby. She's the smallest, but she's quick. She's very hard to catch.
I want to see the gray bird again.
Steven, you can chase her around here.
Really?
You try to get rid of
I want to try to lift one up.
You guys can come over in the yard. You don't have to
Oh.
look this way.
Okay.
You guys can come over in.
Let's go.
I'm not trying for her. She's a jerk, and I'm not trying for her.
They're so cute. And then
Are we allowed to?
I'm a really good cameraman.
Are we allowed to though?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, she did let us. Our dad did let us do stuff, so.
Mhm. Getting our flip flops on.
We'll just have to cross and walk.
Here, like this. This is like an action movie.
it's like from Robin. Look at, ready? I can fit perfectly.
I'm just gonna tell my dad that we're gonna be down here.
Okay.
Wait, how do we get them?
Like that. Yeah.
Go like that.
They're the new neighbors that just moved in.
No, they didn't. Just move in. They moved.
Well, yeah, a while.
Wait, don't move. No. Oh, no, it's still alive. Wait. Don't move. Try to not move. No, don't move. It's on your fur.
My hair. Get it off.
No. Oh, that's a bee.
It is.
Oh, it's right there.
You run.
I bet my dad's gonna say no. We should not have told him at first off.
It's back. We're going to see some chickens. I'm the cameraman.
What are you guys playing?
We're doing a YouTube video. Say hi.
Oh my god, you're doing a YouTube video?
Say hi.
Hi.
This is Grady. Shout out to him. There's a bug around me.
Okay, she said we could. Ask your mom if you're allowed to go pet some chickens.
He's allowed to. He's with us. Come on.
But,
Let's go.
What?
To pet some chickens.
Pet some chickens?
Yeah.
I think that is.
Ah, he's on a bike. Right here. Hey, you locked me out. Look at them.
See, but this is what they do at night. This is how they sleep.
Yeah, you can see.
You can see any.
Oh.
Hi, little guy.
She's making a YouTube video.
Wow. So cute. Look at the tiny white thing.
Good.
No,
Wow.
my cousin he made a YouTube video with swears in it. Mike? Yeah, my cousin did.
Youch.
Yeah. He was doing the piano and saying swears. I was the one recording. I was just staring at him and doing it. I wasn't even saying anything.
My dad wanted me to tell you that there's coyotes.
Look at him. Look how fast he
I'm chasing them. I'm chasing them.
is. Look at this one.
That's why we got these locks.
Usually what happens is they're so good that
Look at him.
right here they come out, but this is what they do. They come in when it starts to get dark and they put themselves to sleep.
The little one's pecking.
Oh, the little one peck you because she's jerk.
Yeah, she's mean.
She's a jerk.
The white one's a jerk.
I like the little brown spot, black spotted one.
Yeah, me too.
Oh God, it scared me.
Can I
Look at him.
Yeah.
Hi. Oh, you're scary. Oh God, he looked at the camera.
Saying the same thing.
Yeah.
That's chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip.
She knows what chocolate chip.
Is it a boy or a girl?
She's a girl. All of
They're all
them are girls.
Yeah.
Why are you in the cage?
I kind of want to be in here. Here.
Well, are we all chickens now?
Yeah.
We're not food.
No, I don't want to do it. I'm scared if it's going to fall off my nose like that. I'm scared if it's going to fly off my head.
She might. She'll try to get away.
I'm just staring at it.
Oh, the white one's on the other side.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
that
go
one's a
chase
jerk.
it.
The white one's a jerk
Quack, quack.
Even the big ones are afraid of her.
Yeah, I'm afraid of her.
She's so fast. Look at her go.
She's so fast.
Look at her go. Oh, oh, oh.
Here, but they're all up there.
She's like, hide, hide.
You can see them
They
through
do fly. Just they don't fly very far.
He's just it's like a scooter. He's leaning every which way.
Is your dad here?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Ah, no, it's looking at me.
Wait. We got her cornered.
I can touch my
We have her cornered. Corner her.
She won't bite.
Touch her. Wait, touch her. So she won't nibble at me?
No,
No,
she
she
doesn't
won't.
bite.
But she'll fly away from
She does fly,
Yeah,
so it
she's-
might spook you, but the white one is the only one that bites.
Oh my god, it scared me.
Ready? I'm gonna walk up here.
Look how cool that is. Can I pet you? They're staring at me. Ah, you scared me. The white one keeps scaring me.
Yeah, that's why they hang out when it's really hot out. That's all their shade.
Okay.
Are these good shots? I hope this is.
Where's Blue?
I'm right here.
You're not floof.
I'll try to find Floof. I'll show you where she
Okay.
I do not want that chicken to come out.
Aw, whoa. Don't scream.
No, cut this one. He doesn't nibble.
He's like, no. Oh. Oh. Aww.
I want to go near the big chicken. I want to go near the big chicken. Trap it!
You're my favorite chicken.
Oh, she's inside the plants.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Kitty, kitty!
They're so cute.
I love kitties. Aww.
That looks like my old dog Cheeto, except he got rid
Oh,
of
she's
him.
never done this. I don't know what her problem is. Ow. Oh,
That looks like my dog Cheeto, except he got
she
ran
never
over,
does
right?
this.
Remember that?
So cute. She's got a baby face.
She is a baby. She's only,
Oh.
3 or 4 months too.
Hi.
She's so fluffy.
She's so fluffy.
And the flowers.
If I just go like this to the bush, it'll just be.
Oh, Kiki!
It just flew out of it.
Where's the chicken?
Okay, it's 8:16.
Okay.
What time is it?
8:16.
Oh my god. It's like
Say hi.
hi.
Say hi.
Where's the chicken? Hi. I don't really care. This is my vlog.
This is a nice chicken.
I'm a chicken.
You can pick this. You can do this chicken.
Oh god, Jesus scared me. No. Can I pet you?
Where's the? Oh, I'm scared. Where's
Hide under that plant.
I think she got out now. I don't know. You gotta get. Don't you make it around.
She'll come out.
Oh, I see her. I see her. She's like in the fence. Inside of the fence. Found her.
They're really good. They put themselves in food and
Don't let her get in the cage. It's like, nope. She's so mad. I thought she was gonna bite me.
She's right here.
Aw.
Why are you being so rude to them?
I'm trying my best. one of them.
I want that baby.
I want the baby white one. Where'd it go?
It wasn't there.
Oh my god. That's a lot of feathers.
All of them family.
Hold on. Come out, you chicken.
Where's the one?
No,
One
no,
of
no,
them
no,
must
no.
be
Don't
from
go
like
by there.
outside.
Don't go by there. I want to smell.
Right, this one, yeah.
Maybe it's this one right here.
That way up 9.
Block him. Block her or him.
9 chickens.
Hi, baby. Say hi to you too.
Yeah, I like the black one.
I like the white one.
I like that.
Yeah, the white one's pretty
The white
funny.
one's just fun to chase.
Yeah.
Alright.
Even though it's not doing anything.
Yeah, it's not doing anything right
The two babies are, well, little ones are sitting next to each other. That's so cute.
now. Go to the sun.
The white one's the only one that'll be nice to chocolate chip.
Aw.
Gone.
Look at her.
He's my baby.
Is she really holding?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. She really likes chickens. I thought she liked pandas.
I do. I like these better though.
What? Oh, that's mind blowing.
You like them better than a panda?
Mind blowing.
Yeah, me too.
Aren't pandas going extinct or something?
Yeah, there's not a lot of pandas left.
Yeah. Because people are killing them. It's so sad.
Chickens,
Can I pet you?
chickens are probably
Oh
not
my.
going to be
Can I
extinct
pet you?
until
Probably
like
not.
5 years or maybe more.
Probably like
I
hundreds of years.
Yeah.
Because there's so
There's
many
millions
of
of chickens.
I think he wants to get down.
Help! What time is it? What time is it?
They grow really
Oh god,
fast too.
8:20.
I know their talons are. Their
10 more
talons are
minutes.
very long.
Help.
Yeah, they're not
Oh.
There you go.
The thing wouldn't go down.
Should we go under there and get it?
Yeah. Pick her up. Oh god. Oh god.
No.
Here, Noah. This is Noah's point of view.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
If you want,
pick one of these up.
do you want one? Do you want it back later?
Sure.
I thought we were playing hide and seek.
Same. We were, but then
They
they were
ch-
like, "You want to pet him?" And I'm like,
You're like, the chicken! I want to pet a chicken! Look at his legs.
the legs.
Look at
The legs. Look
They're
at
like
the
dinosaurs,
legs.
right?
Rawr. He's just gonna drop her onto the.
I know, right? And she's just gonna fall
That's
if
the
I put her on
coyote
the
light.
Oh, I have coyotes living in my backyard.
Same. That's
Apparently
what.
we do too.
Oh! Bark! 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 Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Aw, one in the forge. Hey, get back here.
I
I'm glad I didn't get my feet wet.
Okay, guys, this is gonna end
got him trapped.
my video.
Oh no.
God, bye guys, love you. Bye.